ए रब्बे दो जहां, ए रब्बे दो जहां। हर शय में तेरे जलवे, हर शय में तेरे जलवे, हर चीज तेरी पहचान। ए रब्बे दो जहां। चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाह 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 अल्लाह।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू कंजुलीमान स्कूल टीवी। आओ बच्चों, आज हम मिलकर अपना सबक पढ़ते हैं। आप भी मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें।
Open your English book, page unit number 2. Visit to Safari Park. Dear children, today we will learn the story of Umar, who went to Safari Park and who saw different animals over there. So let's start. I am Umar. Read aloud with me. I am Umar. मैं उमर हूँ. I am 7 years old. मैं हूँ 7 years old, 7 साल का. मैं 7 साल का हूँ. मैं स्टडी पढ़ता हूँ इन क्लास 2, दूसरी जमात में. मैं दूसरी जमात में पढ़ता हूँ. I like animals. मुझे जानवर पसंद हैं. I like animal. मैं जानवरों को पसंद करता हूँ. Last Saturday, पिछले हफ्ते, मैं went गया to Safari Park में, with my family, मेरे घर वालों के साथ. I went to Safari Park with my family. पिछले हफ्ते को मैं अपने घर वालों के साथ सफारी पार्क गया. In one section. Section means हिस्सा. In one section, एक हिस्से में, there were animals and birds. जानवर और परिंदे थे. एक हिस्से में जानवर और परिंदे थे. In one section, एक हिस्से में, there were, वहाँ थे, animals and birds, जानवर और परिंदे. We saw monkeys, tigers, elephants, deers, peacocks, ducks, parrots, giraffes. हमने वहाँ बंदर, चीते, हाथी, हिरन, मोर, बतखें, तोते, जिराफे देखे. We saw monkeys, हमने देखे बंदर, टाइगर्स, चीते, एलिफेंट्स, हाथी, डेयर्स, हिरन, पीकॉक्स, मोर, डक्स, बतखें, पैरट्स, तोते, जिराफ्स, ज़राफ़े. क्रोकोडाइल्स, मगरमच्छ, एंड लायंस और शेर देखे. हमने वहाँ बंदर, चीते, हाथी, हिरन, मोर, बतखें, तोते, ज़राफ़े, मगरमच्छ और शेर देखे. Most of the animals were in cages. ज़्यादातर जानवर were थे in cages, पिंजरे में. ज़्यादातर जानवर पिंजरों में थे. Cages means पिंजरा. Most of the animals were in the cages. ज़्यादातर जानवर पिंजरों में थे. Some of them were only in the boundaries. Some of them, इनमें से कुछ, were only in the boundaries, सिर्फ बाड़ में थे. इनमें से कुछ सिर्फ बारों में थे, बाउंड्रीज बार। Some of them were only in the boundaries. उनमें से कुछ सिर्फ बार में थे। There were many people too. There were वहाँ थे many people too, बहुत से और लोग भी। वहाँ पर बहुत से और लोग भी थे। Some children were also giving food to the animals. Some children कुछ बच्चे were थे also be giving दे रहे food खाना to the animals जानवरों को। कुछ बच्चे जानवरों को खाना भी दे रहे थे। Some children were also giving food to the animals. कुछ बच्चे जानवरों को खाना भी दे रहे थे। It may be dangerous. ये खतरनाक हो सकता है। It may be dangerous. खतरनाक, ये खतरनाक हो सकता है। There was an elephant. There वहाँ was था an elephant एक हाथी। वहाँ एक हाथी था। A man was sitting on it. A man एक आदमी was था sitting बैठा हुआ on it उस पर। एक आदमी उस पर बैठा हुआ था। He was giving ride to the children. वो बच्चों को सवारी करवा रहा था। He was giving ride to the children. वो बच्चों को सवारी करवा रहा था। The elephant was taking money from the children with the help of his trunk and was giving it to his owner. The elephant हाथी was था taking money पैसे ले रहा from the children बच्चों से with the help of his trunk अपनी सूंड की मदद से and was और था giving it और इसे दे रहा था to his owner अपने मालिक को। The elephant was taking money from the children with the help of his trunk and was giving it to his owner. हाथी अपनी सूंड की मदद से बच्चों से पैसे ले रहा था और अपने मालिक को दे रहा था। In the other section दूसरे हिस्से में There were swings. वहाँ पर थे झूले and shops और दुकानें। दूसरे हिस्से में झूले और दुकानें थी। I went on slide and seesaw with my sister. I went मैं गया on slide. I went on slide. मैं घीसी पर गया and seesaw और हिंडोला पर। With my sister मेरी बहन के साथ। मैं अपनी बहन के साथ घीसी पर गया और हंडोला लिया। My father bought us chips. मेरे वालिद ने हमें चिप्स and और जूस खरीद कर दिया। My father bought up chips. Bought up खरीदा। Bought my father bought मेरे वालिद ने खरीदा us हमारे लिए चिप्स and जूस और जूस। हमारे वालिद साहब ने हमें चिप्स और जूस ला कर दिए। I threw the wrappers in the dustbin. मैंने threw फेंके the wrappers मैंने फेंके the wrappers लिफाफे in the dustbin कूड़ादान में। मैंने लिफाफों को कूड़ादान में फेंक दिया। After that इसके बाद I played football with my father. मैंने अपने वालिद के साथ फुटबॉल खेला। I played football with my father. मैंने अपने वालिद के साथ फुटबॉल खेला। Then we came back home. फिर हम वापस आ गए। Then we came back home. फिर हम वापस आ गए। I like it very much. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा। I like it very much. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा। Now children, we had completed the chapter. Let's start the verse meaning. Meanings of difficult words. Dear children, read aloud with me. Learn and try to pronounce with me. Like पसंद करना। Like पसंद करना। Family खानदान। Section हिस्सा। monkeys बंदर, birds परिंदे, animals जानवर, tiger चीता, elephant हाथी, deer हिरन, peacock मोर, duck बतख, parrot तोता, giraffe ज़राफ़ा, crocodile मगरमच्छ, lion शेर, most ज़्यादातर, cages पिंजरे, boundaries हदूद, people लोग, food खाना, dangers खतरनाक, ride सवारी, trunk सूंड, honor मालिक, swings झूले, slide घीसी, सीसा हिंडोला, wrappers लिफाफे, dustbin कूड़ादान, back वापस. Dear children, learn all the difficult words and then also learn the meanings of the difficult words. Thank you. Dear children, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kanzul Iman School TV. Children, open your English book, page number 13. We had learned unit number 2 before. Now let's start the exercise of unit number 2. Activities. Answer the following question. Answer the following questions. Where did Umar went on last Saturday? Umar last Saturday पिछले हफ्ते कहाँ पर गया? As you know children, Umar went to Safari Park on last Saturday. So what will be the answer of this question? Umar went to Safari Park last Saturday. How did the elephant look like? Elephant कैसा दिखता है? Elephant was look like a huge ape. एक बहुत बड़ा जानवर की तरह दिखता है. How was the elephant taking money? Elephant कैसे पैसे ले रहा था? The elephant was taking the money with the help of his trunk. Do you like to visit the zoo? Why? क्या आपको zoo जाना पसंद है? Yes, I like to visit the zoo because I like animals. What did Umar played with his friends? उमर ने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ क्या खेला? Umar played football with his father. Dear children, this one is the done exercise for you. This answer the following questions. Where did Umar went on last Saturday? Umar went to Safari Park on last Saturday. How did the elephant look like? Elephant was looked like a huge ape. How was the elephant taking money? The answer of the question is this. The elephant was taking the money with the help of his trunk. Do you like to visit the zoo and why? Yes, I like to visit the zoo because I like animals. What did Umar played with his father? Umar played football with his father. Now let's start doing the sentences of the words. Use the following words in the sentences of your own. Safari park, dustbin, elephant, money, allowed, trunk, football, cage. Dear children, this one is the done exercise for you. Safari park. I went to Safari Park on last Sunday. Dustbin. I throw wrappers in the dustbin. Elephant. The elephant has a trunk. Money. I have money. Allowed. Father allowed me to go park. Trunk. The elephant was taking money in his trunk. Football. I played with football. I played football with my friends. I played football with my friends. Cage. The lion was in cage. The lion was in cage. Complete the following and learn the spellings. Section. 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 Peacock. 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 Cages. 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 Crocodiles. 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 Swings. 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 Now children, open page number 14. Fill in the blanks with the words used in the lesson. Filling the blanks, हमने इन खाली जगह पूर को कंप्लीट करना है विद द वर्ड्स यूज्ड इन द लेसन, जो कि ऐसे वर्ड्स के साथ जो कि हमारे सबक में यूज हुए हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Last Saturday I went to Safari Park with my family. In one section there were animals and birds. Some children were giving food to the animals. It may be dangerous. In other section there were swings and shops. I played football with my father. Fill in the blanks with given letters and read the words aloud. OW. We will put OW over here like this. Fawn. Prawn. Crowd. Town. Clown. From. Crowd. Town. Clown. Book. Hood. Mood. Food. Foot. Book. Hood. Mood. Foot. Shout. Count. Spout. Mount. Stare. Fair. Hair. Chain. Simple past tense. Remember children, simple past tense expresses an action taken place in the past. जो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है उनमें ऐसे एक्शन शो किए जाते हैं जो कि गुजरे हुए वक्त में हो. Here was simply use subject with the past form of the verb. यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट का यूज़ सीख रहे हैं, कैसे पास्ट फॉर्म में हम लोग वर्ब का यूज़ करते हैं. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. I spoke. मैं बोला. Here I is the subject and the spoke is the past form of the verb. Past form of the verb speak. Speak, spoke, spoken. The second form of the speak is spoke. Spoke used for the simple past tense. The second form of the verb is used for the simple past tense. I spoke. I. मैं is a subject. Spoke, बोला. बोला is a verb. Read these sentences. I played football. You looked very nice. Here the played is the verb. Looked is the verb. Liked is the verb. Ran is the verb. Jumped is the verb. Worked is the verb. And I, you, we, she, he and they are the subjects. These are the affirmative sentences. ये सादा जुमले हैं, इनमें ना सवाल पूछा जा रहा है और ना ही कोई नेगेटिव बात की जा रही है. सो दीज आर द affirmatives यानी कि simple sentences. Now open page number 15. Negative sentences. We change past form of the verb into the first form and use did not before it to make negative sentences. Negative sentences बनाने के लिए हम वर्ब की जो फॉर्म है उसको फर्स्ट फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था स्पीक की सेकंड फॉर्म स्पोक है, तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या है? स्पीक. तो जब हमने नेगेटिव में करना है तो हम डिड नॉट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले हम हमारे जो वर्ब है उसकी फॉर्म को फर्स्ट फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे. लाइक आई डिड नॉट प्ले. द प्ले इज़ द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. यू डिड नॉट लुक वेरी नाइस. आप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं दिखाई दी. वी डिड नॉट रन वेरी फास्ट. शी डिड नॉट लाइक माई डॉल. They did not work very hard. He did not jump into the river. प्यारे बच्चों देखो, हमने जब सिंपल सेंटेंसेस अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस किए तो हमारे पास वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म यूज़ हुई थी, पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज़ हुई थी. लेकिन जैसे ही हमने इसको नेगेटिव में चेंज किया तो क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पे वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आई. तो हमने नेगेटिव में चेंज करने से पहले वर्ब के सेकंड फॉर्म को फर्स्ट में चेंज करना है और फिर साथ डिड नॉट ऐड करना है. ठीक है, डिड नॉट का यूज़ करना है. लाइक आई प्लेड फुटबॉल. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज इन द नेगेटिव, आई डिड नॉट प्ले फुटबॉल. राइट दिस सेंटेंसेस इन द नेगेटिव फॉर्म. आई वेंट टू लाइब्रेरी. आई वेंट टू लाइब्रेरी. मैं लाइब्रेरी गया. दैट इज़ द पास्ट अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. We have to change this affirmative into the negative. First of all, what we will do, we will change this went into the first form. The first form of went is go. Now we will add did not with the go. I went to library. The negative sentence of this is I did not go to library. प्यारे बच्चों, went की first form क्या है? go. और उसके साथ हमने किस चीज़ का यूज़ करना है? did not का नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए. So we will put did not go over there at the place of went. Now you change your car. You changed your car. You did not change your car. We replaced changed with did not change. We played well. We did not play well. They played cricket. They did not play cricket. He shouted loudly. He did not shout loudly. She showed her dress. She did not show her dress. It broke. It did not break. Question sentences. To ask a question, we place helping verb did in the beginning of the sentence. To ask a question, we place helping verb did in the beginning of the sentence and put question mark at the end. We also change second form of the verb into the first form. Dear children, जब हमने past tense में कोई question पूछना है तो हम did को सेंटेंस के बिल्कुल स्टार्ट में ले आएंगे और एंड पर क्वेश्चन मार्क, उस सेंटेंस के एंड पर क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा देंगे. Also, we will change the second form into the first form like the negative sentences. Like, I played football. Did I play football? You looked very nice. Did you look very nice? Did we run very fast? Did she like my doll? Did they work very hard? Did they jump into the river? Open page number 16. Now change these sentences into the questions. Nasir stayed with me. We will put did it at the first of the sentence. This one is did. Nasir, the second form of stayed. This one is the second form of stayed. We will use first form over here, stay. With me. Did Nasir stay with me? I cried slowly. Did I cry slowly? We will put the question mark at the end. You talked with me. Did you talk with me? We shouted loudly. Did we shout loudly? They went to Karachi. Did they go to Karachi? He finished his work. Did she play with doll? He finished his work. We will change it. Did he finish his work? Did he finish his work? She played with doll. Did she play with doll? It rained heavily. Did it rain heavily? Now read these sentences. I was watching TV. I was not watching TV. Was I watching TV? This is also past tense, but it's past continuous tense. Like I was watching TV, मैं टीवी देख रहा था. I was not watching TV, मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा था. Was I watching TV? क्या मैं टीवी देख रहा था? He was eating lunch. He was not eating lunch. Was he eating lunch? You were swimming. You were not swimming. Were you swimming? Open page number 17. It was cold yesterday. It was not cold yesterday. Was it cold yesterday? They were in Lahore. They were not in Lahore. Were they in Lahore? Remember children, we add not after was, were. Was, were are the helping verbs to make sentence negative. Dear children, in the past continuous tense, we use the helping verb was and were. We will add not after the was, were to make it negative. To ask question, we place was or were in the beginning and the question mark at the end. If we want to make it, if we want to ask a question, we will place the was or were in the beginning of the sentence and at the last we will put the question mark. Now change these sentences into negative and the question keeping in view the above given examples. We had done the exercise of was, were. Now that is the exercise for you. Dear children, let's start doing exercise. I was joking. I was not joking. Was I joking? You were running. To make it negative, we will put not after was, were. You were not running. And to make it a question sentence, we will put the were in the start of the sentence. Were you running? And we will put the question mark at the last. We were taking loudly. We were talking loudly. We were talking loudly. We were not talking loudly. Were we talking loudly? He was in London. He was not in London. Was he in London? They were sleeping. They were not sleeping. Were they sleeping? The mother was cooking. The mother was not cooking. Was the mother cooking? short answers. Saying yes I do, no I do not in English is a polite way of answering a question. बच्चों इंग्लिश में आराम से शाइस्तगी से आंसर देना और ये कहना yes I do, no I do not is very easy to communicate in English. Read the questions below. There were 2 answers for each. Do we know her? क्या हम उसे जानते हैं? Yes we do. हाँ मैं जानता हूँ. No we do not. नहीं मैं नहीं जानता. Can she hear me? क्या वो मुझे सुन सकती है? Yes she can. हाँ वो सुन सकती है. No she cannot. नहीं वो नहीं. Is he hungry? Yes he is. हाँ वो है. No he is not. नहीं वो नहीं है. अगर उसको भूख लगी yes he is. और अगर नहीं लगी तो no he is not. Have they read the newspaper? क्या उन्होंने अखबार पढ़ा? Yes they have. हाँ उन्होंने पढ़ा. No they have not. नहीं उन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा. Are you thirsty? क्या आपको प्यास लगी है? Yes I am. No I am not. हाँ मुझे लगी है और मुझे नहीं लगी. Yes we were. हाँ हमें लगी है. अगर हम बहुत सारे लोग हैं तो फिर yes we are. और अगर नहीं तो no we are not. Do you like? No him. Do you know him? क्या आप उसे जानते हो? Yes I do. हाँ मैं जानता हूँ. No I do not. नहीं मैं नहीं जानता. Yes we do. हाँ हम जानते हैं. No we do not. नहीं हम नहीं जानते. Remember children, when you is the subject in English, it must be replaced by I or we. प्यारे बच्चों जब हमारा सब्जेक्ट you हो तो हम उसको I और we के साथ रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. और if the question starts with are you, then are must be replaced by I am or we are. अगर क्वेश्चन के स्टार्ट में are है तो हम उसको I am और we are के साथ रिप्लेस करते हैं. Now open page number 19. Complete the short answer correctly. Are you from Pakistan? Yes I am from Pakistan. Yes I am. Are Sana and Ali your friend? Are you from Pakistan? Yes I am. Are Sana and Ali your friend? No they are not. Do you speak English? Yes I do. Can he jump high? No he cannot. Is she going by car? No she is not. Have they read the book? Yes they have. Make up a meal in the plate in which all food items starts with the same letter as shown here. We will make the meal in the plate. उन्होंने बोला है कि एक मील तैयार करें प्लेट के साथ जिसमें तमाम जो चीज़ें हैं वो एक ही लेटर के साथ स्टार्ट हो, जैसे चीज़, कैरेट, कैप्सिकम और कैबेज. ये सब सी से स्टार्ट होते हैं. तो प्यारे बच्चों आपने ऐसे ही एक लंच प्लेट स्टार्ट करनी है जिसमें तमाम वेजिटेबल एक ही लेटर से स्टार्ट हों. थैंक यू. Now children we had done the exercise of unit number 2. Thank you.
हर शय में तेरे जलवे, हर शय में तेरे जलवे, हर चीज तेरी पहचान.